Just got home from work. Feeding and watering the birds. Gotta have the lights on when I get home from work now. It's starting to get dark early. Over the weekend, tomorrow Saturday. If I get home a little early, I don't know yet. I'm gonna pick out the white Homers that I'm gonna get rid of. Bring them to the show on Sunday. Sell them all. Then pick out the young Triplets, put them in the front coop, let them go in and out, hang out in the screen, through the trap, get used to the area, and then during the week I'm going to let them out. Hopefully I stick them. We'll see what happens. I seen a couple of hawks the other day, but you know how that goes. Still want to fly your birds, you just don't give up. So hopefully I get them to stick. First time I'll keep them a little hungry. And we'll see how that goes. Hopefully it goes good. Going with a bunch of guys to the show on Sunday. Teddy Grill from Long Island in New York. Bobby and Whitey Renner from New York, Long Island. Marvin Schindler from the Bronx. There's another guy, Joe from Central Islip. Me from Patchogue. We got a friend Phil that's going to show up, and a couple other guys from the area. Steve with the Fantail, Steve Farwell. Plus the other guys from the other side of Florida. Hopefully it's nice. I'll do a little video of it, and we'll see how that goes. Can't wait to start flying these guys. I watch a lot of guys' videos. RX S9, I think it is. Got nice birds. Real nice birds. We got the guys out in Arizona flying Triplets. They got nice birds. Corbin and Logan. I'm trying to find out where RXS9, if he's in Florida. I think he's in Kissimmee. I'd like to get in touch with him, see if maybe I met him already at one of the shows or a couple of the shows. So if you happen to watch this video, leave a comment with a way to get in touch with you. I'd like to talk to you. And whatever other guys are around in Florida that are flying Triplets. Alright, well, gonna get ready to go have some dinner for myself. Talk to you guys later.